I audible to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is welcome on board INS Sumedha. This is a Indian warship which has travelled 12,000 nautical miles to reach here in Lagos, Nigeria. On behalf of the commanding officer, Commander MC Chandeep, I would welcome you all to on board. This is a naval offshore patrol vessel of a length of 105 meters. The ship is made for humanitarian search and rescue, casualty evacuation, and medical operations, and wide variety of operations at sea. The ship, last time you must have heard about the ship, would have been in the April or May, where we were involved in Sudan, where we evacuated more than 500 people and we were the first ship to go alongside and evacuate Indians from Sudan. In the war hit zone, it was difficult. There was no telecommunication. There was little information regarding where people were, but the ship was successfully able to do it. We are ready for multiple operations, and we are continuously engaging with our African partners. India being a soft power, have always a leverage. All Indians are good at heart. They are welcoming. That makes our job very easy. And thank you for being such little crowd. And speaking about the ship, a ship is a small town wherein it produces its own water. It makes food. While in Sudan we catered for 500 people on board, and any sort of medical emergencies, we are there. Presently, we are carrying one hello, which is a helmet-free hello, which is a vintage of 1970s, but we make it in India in HAL, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. Speaking about the capacity, we are 150 in strength. The thought I would leave you with respect to what you should take home from here is India as a maritime nation. Little we know about India and the nation of India with oceans, and would have been, I would say, from the book of K.M. Panikkar, India and Indian Ocean, which was written in 1941 first, and the second edition came in 1952. I would request you all to go through it. It is a wonderful read. It says that only until 1600 the civilization of India was well protected because of the great navies we had. We had Marathas, we had Cholas, we had Pandyas, who were having influence from Yemen, Socotra in the west to Indonesia in the east. And so is the testament of Sumedha's visit here, that it shows that Indian Navy and India at last is doing great to our Indian diaspora all around the world. I wish you a lot of luck, prosperity. Thank you for coming on board. Jai Hind.
Yeah.